guys, this is the iconic liquid lipstick coats, and this will cost. So guys, this lip gloss for me, it's a very suitable for my lips, and it gives me a good feeling when I use this. I feel more confident, and I want to share to you guys the description of this lip color lip gloss. So it's kind of matte. It's not really glossy, but in their description, it's like you can use this as a lip gloss, lip color, something like that. So it's made in Belgium, guys. So this one is made in Belgium, and I am located. I want to show to you up close again. This lip gloss is a product of Belgium, but this is a MAC product and made in Belgium. So this iconic liquid lipstick coats your lips with bold color and a satiny finish. So the creamy formula contains ingredients such as coconut oil, shea butter, and argan oil that moisturize your lips throughout the day. And thanks to the handy applicator, the lipstick glides easily over your lips and leaves behind an intense color result. Luscious lips that you will fall in love with effortlessly. Count on the Love Me liquid lip color in the color field. So this one, guys, it costs around 27 euros here, and you can buy it online in Easy Paris, or you can also order it in other web shop like the Douglas Bonds PA. They have more expensive there. There's 28 euros. And this one is around 27 euro and 90 cents in Easy Paris. So I just want to show to you guys. So I'm already wearing another lip gloss or lipstick, but I want to show to you, if you put it on top of it, it will really give you a very nice result. So you'll just slide it over. It's not very red. So there. So you can use this on top of other lipstick. It can be a darker shade, and then on top this will neutralize the color, giving it more, it's a nice product from MAC. So mostly of my lipstick is coming from MAC. So I made another review of other lipstick that I use, like the Shutterbox and the Ladybug. So guys, I hope that you also check that video out. And for those who like MAC products, you can always drop your comment and suggestion. What are your experience using this product? Because for me, I feel really great using this product. So guys, that's my review for the day for this product from MAC. Okay, and for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That would mean a lot for me, and showing support to my channel would really make me happy, guys, and continue to make more videos for my channel. So my channel is May Fine Art. It's doing art tutorial, and at the same time travel vlogs, and I'm also reviewing lots of products that I use that I really recommend. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video for today, and I hope that I will see you next time. Bye.